Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to tackle a topic that might sound a bit technical but is actually quite simple once you see it done. We're talking about DNS. Think of DNS, or the Domain Name System, as the internet's giant address book. It translates easy-to-remember domain names, like yourwebsite.com, into the numerical IP addresses that computers use to find websites on the internet. You might need to edit these DNS records for many reasons, such as connecting your domain to a new email service like Google Workspace, pointing it to a different website builder like Shopify, or verifying your domain with a third-party service. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps on how to easily edit your DNS records directly inside your HostGator hosting account. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your HostGator customer portal. Go to the main HostGator website and use your registered email and password to sign in. Once you are logged into your main dashboard, look for the Domains tab on the menu, which is usually on the left-hand side, and give that a click. This will show you a list of all the domain names you have registered. Find the specific domain you want to work on and click on it to open its detailed management page. On this page, you will need to find the DNS management tool. You are looking for a link or a button called the Zone Editor. In some older interfaces, it might be called the Advanced DNS Zone Editor, but Zone Editor is the most common name. Click on that link to proceed. This will take you to the core of your domain settings where you can see all the current DNS records. You will see a list of different record types, but the most common ones are A, name, MX, and TXT. And a record is the most basic type, and it points your domain name to a server's IP address. A name record acts as an alias, pointing one name to another, which is useful for subdomains. MX records are crucial as they handle all of your email delivery. To edit a record that is already there, simply find it in the list and click the Edit button next to it. You can then change the value, for example, by pasting in a new IP address for an A record, and then click the Save Record button. If you need to add a brand new record, which is very common, look for an Add Record button, usually at the top of the page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose the record type from a drop-down menu, enter the name, which is your domain or a subdomain, and provide the destination or value required by your service provider. Once you've filled in the details, just click Add Record to save it. Now, here is a very important final point. DNS changes are not instant. It can take time for these new settings to update across the globe. This process is called DNS propagation, and it can take anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours in some cases. So, if your website or email doesn't work immediately after making a change, don't panic. Just be patient and give it some time to update. And that is everything you need to know. You have now learned how to manage and edit the DNS records for your domain within your HostGator account. It's a valuable skill for managing your online presence. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful guides and tutorials just like this one. We'll see you in the next video.